Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually make your Shopify store public. Now, basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change your visibility of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do, guys, is you're going to want to go ahead and head over to Online Store right here on the left hand of your screen. Click on Online Store, and from Online Store, you should get a little, lock right here that says your online store is password protected. Remove the password, pick a plan. Now, if you don't already have a plan, you will actually need that to make the store public. So go ahead and pick a plan and then come back to watch the rest of the video. So once you go ahead and actually have this, you're going to want to go ahead and manage your password. Now, if you don't have this little banner right here, you're going to want to head over to Preferences. And right here in Preferences, guys, basically you are going to have the option to choose your Shopify store visibility. So go all the way down, and right here where it says password protection, you're going to want to go ahead and untick this thing that says restrict access to visitors with the password. Now, you will need a plan to actually untick this, but once you go ahead and untick it, go ahead and save the page, and from there your Shopify store should be public and its visibility should be public. So that's how you go ahead and make your Shopify store public, guys. But with that being said, that's been it for today's video. Hopefully you found the tutorial very helpful, and with that being said, if you guys haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel and comment down below your feedback, because it really does mean a lot to the channel and helps improve production. With that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.